So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to short Bitcoin on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the Home tab right here. And right down low where it says Tokens, I want you to go ahead and select Bitcoin. Now once you're on this page right here, if you were to scroll down a little bit, there's a bunch of different options. There's long, short, receive, more. We're going to go ahead and select short. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and see how much Bitcoin you want to short. You can also go to the top right and check out market or limit orders. You can just scroll down, see a bunch of different options here. Now in my case, I don't have any funds, so I can't make the short position, but you can go ahead and basically just kind of see what you want to do. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press proceed, and then continue that way with the short position. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to short Bitcoin on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.